Okay, you need to grab a colored pencil or something to write with that can show up. Do it quickly. You guys, when you start mapping, I always like for you to mark your prime meridian and your equator. So do that now. Because then if you look at your paper, you can see that A is done for you. And there are dotted lines right here and across here that show you how they found A, but whenever you mark your point, you don't put the dotted lines. So let's find point B. Go ahead and you guys try to do point B. Okay, so we're looking for point B. And if you follow the steps that we wrote down at the beginning of class, this should be kind of just step by step, okay? Here's point B, okay? The first thing that we said that we had to do is find the equator and start with the equator. Always start the equator, right? Okay, so here's the equator, runs right through here. Okay, and do we have to go to the north or the south? Because I always keep telling you that the equator measures distance north or south of the equator, right? Yeah. Okay, so do we go north or do we go south of the equator? North. For to find B, is B north or south of the equator? North? It is north. How far north? Because we're going to use these measurements on the side that go with our latitude lines to measure distance, right? Yeah. So how far did you guys say?
70.
About 70?
No.
For B?
No. Yes. That's about 55. That's what I said.
B here would be 50. So you think like 55?
That's what I said.
Okay, 55 works. Put your parenthesis, put your degree measurement, and which direction did we go to get there?
West.
We did not go west because latitude measures degrees north or south. So which way did we go?
North.
We went north to get to B, so go north, put north. Now, we go to the prime meridian next, and we have to go west or east of the prime meridian. So which way did we go for west? Sorry, which way did we go for B?
West.
We went west. How far west did we go? So we went west, and okay, well here would be 60 right here in the middle.
I said 65.
So you think about 65?
Yeah.
I'm fine with that. So you would put 65 degrees what?
West.
West, right? Because we went west, okay? Remember, your marks, your north or south or east or west marks depends on which way you go from either the equator. It will be you went north or you went south. And then the next measurement will be degrees either west or east of the prime meridian. Let's go over C together, okay? So, to find C, our point is right here. And where do we always start?
North.
Equator,
Equator.
right? Start at the equator. So, here's our equator. Are we going to go north or south of the equator? Tyler, look at it. Are we going north or south? South, okay? So, How far south from the equator do we go?
About, I would say 10.
You would say 10 because that would be about 10.
What?
Here would be about 10. This would be about 30. So you think maybe like, what did you say, like 15?
Yeah, 15.
Okay. Let's see. Let's go with 10 because it looks to me like it's directly in the middle of it. Okay. It's okay if you got something different, but you're going to have to put mouthing over there. Okay. So 15 degrees which way? South. Good. Now, to find C, did we go east or west of the prime meridian? We did go west. How far west did we go?
I said 45. I said 50.
You said 45?
I said 50.
Okay, well here's 40 and there's 80. In the middle would be 60. And if you think it's a little bit before that, it could be like 45 or 50-ish, okay? 45 works for me. So 45 degrees which way?
West.
West, right? Okay, good. All right, do D. Okay, guys, let's look at D together. D is up here in the ocean, okay? So, we're going to always start our equator. Here's our equator line, the pink one. Do we go north or south to get to D?
North.
Good, north. How far north do you think we go?
65. I said 70.
You said like, I'm hearing like 65, 70, like there? Okay, we can put 70. That's fine. I'm fine with 70. So we went 70 degrees from the equator in which direction? North. So 70 degrees north. Okay, we have our latitude line. So now look at the longitude line. Our prime meridian is right here. That's our 0 degree mark. And which way do we go? Which direction?
West.
West. Good. And how far west do we go?
I said 20.
Okay, well 20 would be right here in the middle. So is it right in the middle or is it a little bit in between? You said 10? 10's fine. That's fine as long as you're pretty close. 10 degrees which way?
West.
Good. West. Okay. So now what you guys are going to do, you have the rest of the hour to do this. You are going to do E, F, G, and H by yourselves. Okay? And you are also going to add 4 more problems to this, okay? You're also going to do these other 4 where you're going to be putting things on the map, okay? So, put a heart at 20 degrees south, now 80 degrees east. Put a star at 45 degrees north and 100 degrees west. You'll put a triangle at 0 degrees, 40 degrees west. And you'll put a square at 60 degrees north and 0 degrees. Once you're done on Google Classroom, go play the pizza delivery game from yesterday, okay? It's on our Google Classroom. It's like international pizza delivery, and every time you get it right, you'll get a new flag, okay? Don't be loud, okay? And we're going to go over this when we get to class tomorrow, so it has to be done before you come to class tomorrow, okay? All right.